Hello and welcome to Empower Express, and I hope you're enjoying your trial. In this very short video, what I want to talk about is how to really get the most out of Empower, and in particular the key to that is this library piece. So we're going to look at how to unlock that library piece and what it can do for you. So if you haven't already installed it, run the install and link to the library, and then you can see a whole new set of tools that's going to really enhance the way you work with PowerPoint. So far on the initial trial, what you have is the productivity and layout tools, the charting tools, and some of the graphic resource tools. For example, these pieces, the slides, text elements, and things that open up here. What you're missing is this company content library and an even more enhanced graphic resource library that you can actually make completely bespoke with all the elements to create your documents on brand. So the key to this is the library. Once you've installed it, you'll see this piece here. So if I click on it, you'll see we've got two areas: the company library and the corporate design templates. Now in the company library, say for example, this is my company in here, I can create all the subfolders I want, I can structure it how I want. This is my content management system. So I can add all my previous presentations, even single slides, and I can use then those to build new resources. So I can come in here, let's say, and build up a new training book out of all my old ones. I can just double click presentations, click on a slide, insert it, done. It's so quick, it's so visual, and it's so easy to make sure you're circulating those resources and everybody can really find exactly what they want really, really quickly. No rifling through folders, opening up millions of files. It's just here at your fingertips to click and insert. And you can do all your normal file management things. You've got all your cut, copy, paste, renaming, even got versions, updates. So you can have a master page that you can then push out as copies into other books, even languages. So you've got a really enhanced document management system here in this company library piece. You can also search. You've got those lovely search tools that will just search through wherever you're sitting or throughout the whole library, and it searches on all the metadata. If I can put that in, there we go. It'll search through all the metadata plus names, tags, every single text box. So it's a very detailed search to extract exactly what you want, pinpoint it, and insert it into your book. So that's the company library piece. As I say, very easy to circulate those resources and really keep them immediate. The other part of this library is the corporate design templates. Now you've already been using some of that probably on the trial through these insert pieces. So you can locate these in the library or in these insert tools here, or even down in this sidebar here as well. And what you've got here is everything you need to build new content. So you've got text elements, charts, tables, icons, images. Now you've got all the also slides, skeleton slidelets, and these presentation templates are a new part in the enhanced library. So in here you've got all these sort of graphic diagram type ones. There are thousands of them, and the search tools are really useful at extracting again just what you want. Sort of say one of these with 5 pieces, it can find it for you. And these are all very flexible and will adapt to your styles. So within here you've got all these resources, but you've got the added point that once we get your design set up and you sort of fully onto the library, we'll put your template in. We'll also open up these so you can save your own chart folders, for example, all your own text elements that are exactly what you need for your template for your presentations. So you can just come in, click on, say, charts or tables, and insert exactly the right sort of table. One click, you're done. So it makes creating your new content really easy and really on brand. And that's what you're getting with this with the extra pieces from the library, the full company content library and the enhanced graphic resources completely built around you. The other thing we ask you to do is to send us your template, because then we put that in as well. So when you go to Empower New, you've got your template in there ready to go. So everyone's got the most up-to-date template, easy to find. We also make sure we kind of sew in your design. So in the fonts, it's just your fonts, the bullets, just your bullets, colors, just your colors, structured the way you want. And also it means you can use this design check as well. So I can click on here, it knows the design, so it's checking against everything in my file, and it's going to come up any second now and say, here's all the things you've used that aren't actually on your brand. So for example, font color, I've used different colors 5 times. I've used different colors I shouldn't be using. So for example, slide 14 in this text box, I've used green. I can select it, I can click it, I can replace it, done. Really quick, really easy to keep everything on brand and to really maximize the power of Empower by accessing this company content library, the fully enhanced graphic resource library, to make everything you do in PowerPoint easier, faster, and much, much better, and seamlessly on brand without any extra work at all, in fact, even less work. So that's the full power of this library piece. It's why I really urge you to get it installed. If you have any questions at all or want us to take you through the install or want some more training, one-to-one training, just email us at express@empowersuite.com and we can help you through anything just to make sure Empower is completely working with you, underpinning everything you're doing and making PowerPoint so much easier. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy working with Empower and PowerPoint, and thank you for your time.